Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Pathshala. My name is Varsha and hereby I welcome you to another video of mine. Now, today's episode is going to be all about sight words and also about phonic sounds. Sight words, phonic sounds, these topics are not new. If your toddler is in LKG, if your toddler is in lower kindergarten, upper kindergarten, I guess that you definitely might be concerned about the same as a parent, as a teacher, or anything else. Now, the journey of sight words and phonic sounds is something like which enables them in helping them to read. So it is very, very important that they understand how they are pronouncing the words, how they are pronouncing the letters, and it also helps them in further reading an entire passage, an entire book on their own. Now, in relation to this, I have come up with 3 different books over here, which I'll be sharing with you people today. And the very first one in the same is, you can see this book. So this is a phonics activity book, which I'll be sharing with you in detail. And the next one is obviously this one, that is your first sight words and sentences and numbered as 1. The next one is your very first sight words and sentences level 2. So I'll be talking about these 3 books in details, but before that, I hope that you have seen my video on phonic sounds, that is what is the sound for each and every alphabet, English alphabet from A to Z, and I hope that your child is well versed in the same. So why do I say so is because that if your child is well versed in the phonic sounds, it will be very easy for the child to cope up with the further activities which these books have to offer, and also with the help of sight words. So, and I have also explained in my previous videos that what are sight words. If you have yet not seen it, so definitely go ahead and see the same, or else I'm going to link it at the top. Now, these books are going to help your child in the long run to read and pronounce the words, to blend, to understand the diagraphs, and to combine in very simple language. If I have to say, they'll be knowing that what and how a pronunciation for a particular set of alphabets would be. So it is going to help them out in the same. Now, so the very first sight word book what I would like to show to all of you is this one. This is again from Dreamland, that is Dreamland very first sight words and sentences level 1. So again, this is from Dreamland Publications, priced at $180, and you can see a whole lot of series what they have made on the same. So I have got the first 2 levels with me, which I'll be sharing with you people today. So as they say, we would also read out what they have written at the top, that very first sight words and sentences, a set of 2 books suitable for children aged 4+. Sight words are those words that are most commonly used in speech and writing. This set is supported with colorful pictures and simple sentences that help kids spot the sight words and build confidence with early literacy skills. So let's get started. Here you can see this is the very first page, and here you can see the content. So in content you can see that there are 55 sight words what they have listed, and every single sheet looks like this. So it's the very first sight word is I. So I sleep, I skate, I paint, I read, and accordingly they move on with every single sight word like that. So the next sight word, if it is like, so it is I like pizza, I like bananas, I like apples, I like eggs. Accordingly, with the help of the given pictures, they have related the sentences with it. So for each and every sight word, they have presented it in a simple manner. They have tried to keep it simple, interesting, and full of pictures as they claimed. So the claim is absolutely right. So you can say that it serves the purpose. Now let us see that what they have to offer in the second set of books. So it is very first sight words and sentences level 2, again from Dreamland Publications, and you can see the logo over here. It is priced at $180, as you can see, and it also writes and says the same. So let us again get inside the book and see what it has got to offer. So you can see again a set of 55 words along with the practice worksheets is also given towards the end, you can see. So The very first sight word in the second level is no. You can see that the child would be able to make use of the same and read whatever is given. And self-assessment is also given at the bottom, that is color a star each time you read each sentence. So if a child reads the very first sentence and it is correct, so just give a star, color it red, blue, yellow, green, whatever the child likes, and appreciate the child in his or her learning journey. So this is again a set of, you can see, 55 sight words, and as I told you, time to practice. So they have given practice worksheets also towards the end. So I guess that this is something really commendable from their side, and it is really good. So sight words practice, phonetics practice, really worthy. You must invest in buying these two sight word sentences and words book from Dreamland Publications. It's really good enough, and you must go for the same. The next one, what I would like to present is about the phonics activity book. This is again from Dreamland, my activity series, as you can see at the top over here. And the price for the same is 100 rupees. Obviously I got it at a good discount, again from Dreamland Publications. So what do they have to say regarding this activity book? So it says that my activity series, a perfect set of 15 books to educate and entertain young learners with age appropriate activities. Each book has activities that make learning fun and teach basic skills of writing letters and numbers, phonics and reading, drawing and coloring, finding differences and more. So they have got a set of 15 books, and so you can just figure out the same. So here they have listed all the 15. So whatever interests you, you can definitely grab hold of the same. I have got maximum of them with me for making my son practice it. So let's just dive into the book. So you can see the very first page is like this. Yes, some of them have been solved by my son, so which we practice almost daily. So it is over here. You can see that they are given the pictures that start with the sound of the letter shown at the start of each row. So A for apple, B for ball. Accordingly, the child is supposed to put a tick mark or a circle, whatever the child is comfortable with. You can definitely ask the child to do that. The best part is the simplicity. The best part is the color combination, the types of pictures, pictorials, what they add to their books is the thing what I would say that adds on to the quality of these books. So you can see with B it is boy, B, and accordingly there are several things what the child can figure out in the page, whatever worksheet they have been given. So fill in the blanks, etc. with the first letter, middle letter, starting, beginning sound, ending sound. So all such kinds of worksheets have been given to the child. So definitely go ahead and get this for your child as well. So sight words 1, sight words 1, sight words 2, and this phonics activity book is what I would suggest that this would be one of your perfect buying for helping your child to enable him or her to read in the long run. So definitely invest. Bye bye.